All right, looking at these three equations, which variable looks like it's going to be the easiest to get rid of? I'm going to say probably z, okay? And if I notice the first equation and the third equation already have opposites, so let's go ahead and eliminate the z, those two equations first. So 2x plus 4y minus z equals 2, and 3x minus y plus z equals 1. Doing my elimination, I would have 5x y equals 3. Now I'm going to use the middle equation and the bottom equation, but I'm going to have to multiply the bottom equation by 3. And that's going to give me opposite coefficients. So I'll have x plus 2y minus 3z equals -4. I'm just rewriting that middle one. Now I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 3. That would be 9x minus 3y plus 3z equals 3. And do my elimination. 10x minus y equals -1. Now, you really can, if you prefer, you could have used the first two equations and then the bottom two equations. You could have gotten rid of your x's. You could have gotten rid of your y's. There's all kinds of ways that you could do this. You literally just have to pick one and start. So now I have these two equations, and I want to get opposite coefficients. So the easiest way to do that would be to multiply this equation by 3, or if you'd like, you could do substitution. I tend to do substitution anytime I have a coefficient of 1. So in this case, I would subtract 10x if I want to do substitution. And then divide by -1. Have y equals 1 plus 10x. Now I need to substitute this into my equation up here, which would be 5x plus 3 times 1 plus 10x equals 3. Simplifying that out, 5 plus 30 is 35x. X equals 0. And we've got x equals 0. Okay, sorry, I had to check on something. So now that I've got my x, I'm going to take this information and plug it back into this equation over here. So I'll have y equals 1 plus 10 times 0, or y equals 1. Now I have two of my variables. So to find my third, I'm going to plug both of these into one of my equations up top. Looking at those equations, I'm going to say let's use the third one. So 3 times x, which is 0, minus y, which is 1, plus z equals 1. 3 times 0 is 0, so I have -1 plus z equals 1. We're going to add 1 to both sides. Z equals 2. And my final solution, 0, 1, 2, x, y, z.